Okay, got the clear coat on. Turned out pretty good. There's, some junk in it, but might need a polish. It's better than it was. I repaired a few spots, like down here, tried to touch up that white. There was a big chip there, so it looked better from a couple of feet away than it did. And there was one here. Tried to put a little white on there. Turned out not bad. Like I say, it's not perfect, but I'm not an airbrusher, so at least you still have your old airbrush work, which is nice work. This guy here turned out nice. It's I had to re-clear it because I had sanded it down to hi. That's pretty good. I had sanded it down to try and do the airbrush, but yeah, I'm not good at airbrush yet, so that's gonna have to wait until I get better. And then this, I totally screwed up on this. I'm gonna have to take a razor blade and knock down these runs and sand it and polish it, because kind of made a freaking mess. I don't know what happened there. I just got too close, or I think what happened is I set the gun up improperly. I didn't have enough air pressure, so I'm using a new low pressure, low volume gun, and it's a little different than my high pressure gun. So anyway, I'll be able to fix it. It's just going to take a shit ton of work again now, but anyway, it turned out pretty good. I matched the blue here as good as I could. It's a little darker on the outside here, but you can't really tell. So yeah, I just painted over top of the bare metal as best I could. I didn't put any filler in there or anything, because it would have, yeah, you need a lot of room to be able to put filler in, feather it out. So just decided to paint over top, because that's going to be underneath your your bezel anyway. For the most part, you won't see it. But yeah, anyway, it turned out pretty good. Yeah, there's some chips up here that I couldn't quite. I tried matching, and yeah, it's really tough matching a chip when it's got a big hole in it, right? But anyway, it is what it is. Hindsight, I should have convinced you to just repaint the whole works, but I mean, it's still a nice paint job, and this will do you for a while again. Yeah, I got runs on this guy too, unfortunately. I'll turn it into the light here, but sorry about the sound. It's the old furnace running. Yeah, there's a few sags and runs, and what a mess. Anyway, I'll clean it up and polish it, and it'll look good. Anyway, that's it, man. Hope you like it, and yeah. Turned out good, I think. I hope you like it. All right, later.